Equation of a line. We will review our understanding of the equation of a line and in particular how to write the equation of the line. We will only pay attention to two forms. These are the slope-intercept form and the point-slope form or slope-point form. So these are the forms of the equations of the line that will help us when we go to the slope of tangent lines and when we go to defining the derivative of a function at a point. Slope-intercept form. Y is equal to mx plus b. So that is easy. M is your slope and b is the y-intercept. So if this is our vertical axis, the y-axis, and this is the x-axis, and that is your line. So that means your point or your line will intersect the vertical axis at B. Okay, that is your y-intercept. Slope point form. Given a point with coordinates x sub 1 and y sub 1 that lies in line L with slope m, the equation of the line L is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. M is the slope and x sub 1 and y sub 1 are the coordinates of the point. You know what students are sometimes confused? They cannot recall, is this y minus y sub 1 or x minus x sub 1? So they are kind of confused about how to write these terms. Well, this is my advice to you. If you are confused, just remember that m is equal to change in y over change in x. Okay? This means that change in y is equal to, cross multiplication m times the change in x. And if you were to look at this and this, they are basically the same. So again, if you are confused about which terms should be written on each side of your equation, just go back to this. M is equal to, or the slope is equal to change in y over change in x. Example 2.22, find the equation of the line. The line passes through the point with coordinates 5/3 and 6. The slope is -3. So right away we know that we can use the slope point form. This is the slope, this is the point. Just in case your teachers require you to write this in slope-intercept form, well, go ahead. So let us write it in slope-intercept form. In slope-intercept form, this is equal to y is equal to -3x plus 11. Example 2.22. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of a line parallel to 3 times x plus y is equal to 7 that passes through the point 1, 5. So the line must pass through this point. But we do not know the slope of that line. Well, our key is this one. So we will get the slope of our line from this line. Okay, so this is another line. Okay, and so writing this line in the form, in the slope-intercept form, y is equal to -3x plus 7. So parallel lines have the same slopes. And so this means that the line that passes through the point with coordinates 1 and 5 would have a slope of -3. So there you have it. We have a slope and we have a point. Let us write it in slope point form. Y minus 5, 5 again is the y coordinate. Y minus 5 is equal to negative 3 times the quantity x minus 1.